Welcome to Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, and here's a great RV from our giant selection of motorhomes, fifth wheels, and trailers. This beautiful travel trailer comes equipped with outside shower, stabilizer jacks, outside speakers, double step entry, backup camera ready, flip down travel rack, outside storage, power tongue jack, spare tire, LED exterior lighting, front bedroom, dual bedroom nightstands, oven, 3-burner cooktop, bathroom cabinet with mirror, booth dinette, tire pressure monitors, flush mount gas range cover, windows at each bunk, double door refrigerator, sofa bed, lower kitchen cupboards and drawers, bathroom toilet, TV mounting bracket, shower skylight, overhead storage, overhead kitchen storage, sink covers, high-rise faucet. Bayou Outdoor wants to get you ready for outdoor fun with the boat or RV of your dreams. We carry over 200 new and used motorhomes, fifth wheels, travel trailers, toy haulers, folding campers from some of the most popular brands. Stop by today or visit us online at BayouOutdoor.com. Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, providing savings, selection, and service for over 40 years. Welcome to the family.